Hello, this is Odin the Tall. Today I will be reviewing the OPAMOO rechargeable LED flashlight, 3000 lumens. Now, this is an LED flashlight having the LED bulbs in the lens. And there is the power button, so we'll switch that on. It has 5 modes. The first mode is bright, so I'll shine it behind me to give you some idea of the illumination. The second mode is medium. The fuck, dude? All right. So what happened was, and this is a nice feature of this light, when you click the power button, if you do it soon enough, probably like within a second or two of each press, you get the different modes. Once you get to the mode and you let it go for 8 to 10 seconds or longer, the next time you press the button, it goes off. So you don't have to keep cycling through to get to the off mode. Or you can long press the button, 2 seconds, and it goes off. But it is nice that once you turn it on and you're using it, here we are at about 8 seconds. Okay, it's been on about 12 seconds. One press, and it turns off. Nice. Convenient. So, the first press, and again, I'm going to shine it behind me so you can see. First press is high power, then medium power, then low power. And it might be hard to see in the video, but the lower power is actually rather bright. Fourth mode is flash or strobe. And the fifth is SOS. Now, one thing I like about this light that most of the other ones don't have are these little blue indicator lights here. Now that'll tell you the level the battery is currently in. And it is a rechargeable battery. So as you use it, it will discharge and naturally discharge over time. Of course, faster discharge during use. So these 4 lights will eventually go down to 1. And then when it's really close to running out, it'll blink and then eventually just turn off because it has run out of power. The other thing that these lights do is when you charge the battery and your charge port is right there, you just put like a provided USB cord in there to power it up. And as it powers up, these indicator lights will go from whatever state it was in, 1, 2, or 3 lights, up to the 4th light, which blinks, and then when all the lights are solid, it's fully charged. Now, it uses an included rechargeable battery, which is 5,800 milliamps, and the battery type is 18650. It can use one 18650 battery, or one 26650 battery, or 3 AAA batteries. And it has the appropriate adapters for each kind of battery. I did a little bit of testing to see how long the battery will last from a full charge. On the high brightness, I got about an hour worth of light out of it. And on the lowest brightness setting, which is still pretty darn bright, let me tell you, I got 5 hours and 20 minutes of usage out of it. Now, it does have a focusing feature where if you pull the front forward, it will focus the beam, make it narrower or wider. You turn it on here. So that is the wide beam. And, well, pulled it out there. That's your narrow. And all the sizes in between. The OPAMOO 3000 lumen rechargeable LED flashlight. The package came with 2 of these and it was about $25, give or take. Now, this one works perfectly fine. The indicator lights, only 3 of them work. The second one didn't work. So, a little disappointed about that. I wish all the indicator lights had worked, but that's the only thing I found that was wrong with these flashlights out of the 2. Just the one indicator LED didn't work, but otherwise they work exactly as expected. A good bright LED light, and has a very sturdy build. It is metal, solid, has a good little bit of weight to it. So you can tell it has some substantial quality, some good build quality. Mostly satisfied with it. Again, I wish that indicator light was working. The one out of the 4 that's not working, but be that as it may. The OPAMOO LED rechargeable flashlight. Thank you for watching and have a good evening. This has been Odin the Tall. Today I will be reviewing and you're using it, here we are at about 8 seconds. 1 click, turns it off. Okay, that wasn't long enough. It's still fucking, oh, hold on a minute. And it was a very sturdy build, by the way. This is a very, it's very, this is very sturdy. It's clicking.